morning viewers, this is Bijal Keshi with cameraman Hardik Sati from GMPS News. Today is a very special day because today we are having a special guest who is the director of GMPS News channel. So let's come with me and ask some interesting question. Let's come with me. Good morning Mr. Nafees.
Good morning, Bijal.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
So today I just want to ask some interesting question. May I ask?
Definitely you may.
So my question is, how did the news channel participate in covering the Silver Jubilee event?
Definitely, I would like to answer your viewer this question. It was a nice question, Bijal. And before this answering, I would like to say a great thanks to my managing director of this school who have shown a faith on me, who gave me this great opportunity to lead this GMPS News channel. Definitely, I would like to tell you something about the past of this channel because we have started this channel few years ago, and in these few years, our school worked definitely nicely, and we have covered every event, every function of the school, and we made it successfully. Definitely, in the same manners, we are going to cover the Silver Jubilee program that we are going to launch on 16th of November 2025. So definitely we are going to cover this program, and our team who are working behind the camera, we are having a great IT team, we are having a great anchors and reporters as well. So we'll definitely made it successful, and we'll show ourselves the backbone of this event to make it successful. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir, for giving me this lovely answer. If you are interested, can I ask my another question?
Definitely, of course, you may ask.
So my another question is, what was the main role of Silver Jubilee event and how was it chosen?
The Silver Jubilee event, why we called this, because of our school in the history worked hard, and so many things that our school has completed, right, in last 25 years. So it was a great journey, even the silver journey, I would like to say. And on behalf of the past, that we have learned a lot of things, and in the same manners we are just focusing right now on the demand of these students, what basically they need to make their career successful. In the same manners, we have started a National Cadet Corps, NCC. You can see behind me, we are having a different program this we have launched because of so many students wants to go in the defense field, right? So we have started for those students this NCC program, and a part of it 10-meter shooting programs we have launched this year. So definitely we are working on the demands of these students to make them successful. In the same, I would like to say one more thing. We are having so many alumni who are working on the very good position in India and out of the India as well. So basically the school motive is to make our students successful and to give them as per the need of the student, so that they can go ahead in the future, work hard and work smartly for the country as well, for the family.
So my another question is, our viewers are very excited to know about the journey of this school.
Definitely, I would like to tell you the journey of this school, because we are going to complete on 16th of November 25 silver years. So our past journey is very struggleful. We have started this school from the few number of the students. We have worked hard to build this school, and our managing director Mr. Dr. Prachun Srivastav and our principal Dr. Nalini Srivastav has worked hard to build this school, to build the number of the students, to build the number of the teachers as well. So right now we are having a very good strength of the student, and we are having somewhere 80 plus teachers or 85 plus teachers in the school right now. So it was a very amazing journey, learningful journey. We have learned a lot from that journey, and from few years our GMPS News is trying to show this struggleful journey to the school parents and the students as well. And definitely I would like to add up something in this question, because of your viewers are watching it and their kids are also maybe interested in this school, what we are providing to the parents or the students. So basically we are focusing on the need of the students, what they need. For example, you Visual want to become instead of reporter, you want to become an officer in the defensive field. So we have launched this time NCC, National Cadet Corps. If your cameraman can show the things behind for the NCC, right? And also on the request of the our students or the managing director, we have launched this time 10-meter shooting programs in the school. So there are so many new steps that we are going to take in the next session 26-27 to become this school and the students successful. So it was the journey of the school, and a lot of things are going to cover up in the next few years in this school. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir.